West Coast to smoking, doing my thing.
Nigga
Rhyme
Rob,
for
my
California
coworker.
Bear Gang is the name. I'm on
Good
top
will.
of my game.
Shit
I'm
slap.
ahead of my time. Rapping lyrical crack, getting bread on the grind. You must be
But this is the next episode, unlocking the Assassin's Creed 3 exclusive player missions, 4 exclusive single player missions, 4 missions solo exclusive. That's what's up. Right there. I'm unboxing. Tell him, Rob. Listen. I watch my next victim, plot my next mission. How does the hills get happy and still breathing? Give thanks for that. We on this next half, slapping down thanks to track. It's about time these people started facing facts. We making crack, Sacramento, bringing gangsta back. Be happy and still breathing. Give thanks for that. We on this next half, slapping down thanks to track. It's about time these people started facing facts. We making crack, Sacramento, bringing gangsta back. I be California living. Get that paper. Right there. Assassin's Creed 3. UK Pass. Yep, and just because Call of Duty, everyone likes it, I'm not on that same boat. I like the game, but that shit stink too, so this disc is gonna go in my Slim first. You know what I'm saying? It's only right. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Rob Roy, Sacramento Cali Bear Gang, but Assassin's Creed 3. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Teddy Peso. Your host Teddy Peso. Tune in, I'm about to unbox this one. And then I'll unbox that one. I pay your milk, never mind, gotta get the cheddar. When I told you that I wasn't lying, see me in the streets and you get faded on sight. Cause these killers are for real and we know to take flight. It be on in the night when the sun goes down. I can't wait to see how this new gun goes down. Teddy Peso.